Let's go. Ooh, I like that.
This is strong. Oh my god. I don't know if it's the food I ate, but I feel very nauseous. Where you So before I start, I just wanted to say that there is a giveaway going on in this video. So stay tuned to find out the details and then how you can win. Good morning, guys. Hope everyone slept well and is having a great weekend. We are on our way to get some food. It's quite hot in Norway. First lock off at 11 o'clock, so we made it just in time, kind of. So we are going to the Zilara part of the property because the pool is adults only. Hopefully we don't see nobody that's topless, you know. Hello, good morning. You guys can't even see my beautiful smile. So if you got this far, it's either you're really interested in this video or you want to know more about the giveaway. It's simple. To win the gift card, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment the right answer to the riddle, which is somewhere in the next couple of minutes. The winner will be randomly selected in the comments and I will reply to their response as well as highlight them in the next Hyatt Ziva Day 3 recap. The giveaway would run for 4 weeks, so make sure you turn on the notifications so you don't miss a beat. Hi! Thank you. I need to take this back to my room.
$2.5.
Yeah, it started at 5 stars for us and then it's kind of going down. It
went down to 2 this morning.
Yeah, it went down to 2 this morning.
So it's back up to 2.5. Hopefully they can redeem themselves. It's a hell of a thing, you know. I don't like poor service. Maybe expectation was too high, but maybe.
We'll see. Because I was like, for Jamaican, I was thinking that it would be ackee and sawfish and liver and them things there, but like to see the sheen and the kidney was the only protein there. So I was like, you know, big turn off. Big turn off. Yeah, the ham was like continental.
I mean, there's stew chicken.
Yes, I totally forgot about the stew chicken.
Right? Or liver, you know. Yeah, like that's enough for your breakfast. And you know, have a yam and dumpling and that kind of stuff. Typically, that's what you expect in a hotel, but then when I saw that they never had that.
Yeah, they only had 4 things for each type of cuisine.
So
at the place that's supposed to have the most choices, because the whole name of the restaurant was choices.
So came late, you know. We came a little bit late, about like 30 minutes before it locked. So maybe, just maybe, they had more choices earlier in the day. So if I come early tomorrow morning and the same thing happened, then it confirms our suspicion that that's the case.
But you have all our money done. And I'll farm you to give you the...
One. And attitude, let's go. Ooh, I like that. Good. Tap and legs out. Put it up and back. When I say go fast, it goes.
That's not inclusive at all. Hold on.
Alright, so we're going to try with a trivia thing as a Jamaican because we want the money, but if they hear the accent,
I'm going to know where Jamaican.
Them think we're Jamaican and I'm not going to give them the prize, you see me? So I forgot to act like we're Jamaican. Act like we never know the place and thing.
But you have to have an American accent.
I have an American accent, yes.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to switch.
So switch.
Alright, so we're here. We're live. Right, I think the American accent is a lot more easy for me to manage.
Alright, so welcome. Today we have on display, we have some of our finest rums here in Jamaica.
Yeah, I can see that.
Alright, so we're...
Hold on. I'm Jamaican. So...
I'm still selling it.
Let's start.
Let's just start patois. Alright, let's
Tell me now.
My name is Andre and this is my lady's Monique right here. Alright,
You're so cute.
What you have on display right here with some of the finest Appleton rums you can get. You have the Appleton 12 here. We got two very sexy bottles, which one you can try. I'm gonna give you this much, I'm gonna let you try a few of them.
Excuse me, I feel like I'll be rolling out of here.
So,
a whole life.
for
Okay.
this one, the ladies prefer this one because it's more smoother, lighter, and a little more sweetness to it. Alright?
Yeah.
A little more notes of
Woo! Look at that! Look
Alright,
at
this one more because I know you like this one. Come on, I'm gonna give you a taste.
I feel like I'm gonna...
Give it a taste.
Get there, girl, go ahead, get there.
This is strong. That is 8-year-old. You okay?
It goes down.
Yeah, it goes down well. That's what he was saying.
Alright, so
Yeah.
now this is a big boy drink. So this, so
She's
this,
the big boy.
Where you I will be
That's what the reference goes down well. Give a little bite, but it's good. It's soft on the palate.
Hi guys, we're at the beach now. We just finished sailing. It was amazing. I'm gonna drop this video right here. We're going sailing for the first time.
Yeah.
Yes, are we ready? Not really. But we're gonna try this out.
Wow.
Woo! Oh my god!
Anything, we're the target to out.
Oh my god! This is crazy. This is crazy.
So, pass to the Caribbean. Without the black man.
Wow! Listen! Wow! So finally got the stock from the refrigerator and yeah. Good morning, guys. It is now 3 o'clock in the morning. I am wide awake. I'm drinking Sprite, I'm not sure if the Sprite is gonna help, but I'm drinking Sprite trying to feel better. I don't know if it's the food I ate, but I feel very nauseous and it's just a hot mess. I couldn't even get tea here. The only place I found the food to be really good was Urban Eats. Yeah, because I tried Choices, I tried food from the Asian Fusion, and I tried Urban Eats, and that was the only place that made sense to me. The food was amazing there. All the other restaurants were kind of subpar. I don't know if I can try another restaurant before I leave, because it is now Sunday morning, so I'm not sure if I can try one more restaurant. But Urban Eats and the Jerk Hut were really, really good, and they restored my faith in the food here because everywhere else was like, nah, we don't come again. So I'm just trying to feel better so I can, explore the place before I have to check out. But for now, I'm just gonna take it easy and get some more rest.